Cybersecurity bootcamps are everywhere. They promise speed, they promise certification, they promise six-figure salaries, and yet many still struggle to secure well-paying roles. Why? It's not because they lack intelligence. It's not because cybersecurity isn't hiring. It's because most bootcamps teach content, but they don't provide alignment. Content is information. Alignment is strategy. Bootcamps often focus on tools, terminologies, and exam preparation, but hiring managers are not looking for students who completed modules. They're looking for professionals who can think critically, who can reduce risk, communicate impact, and contribute quickly. The gap is where many candidates stall. Another issue is personalization. Most bootcamps operate at scale, same curriculum, same pace, same roadmap for everyone. But careers are not built with template. Some professionals should pursue GRC, others should lean into cloud security. Some are better positioned for identity and access management. Without individualized guidance, people waste months learning things that don't align with their strength or market's demand. And then there is accountability. Self-paced programs rely heavily on discipline. But without feedback, most learners don't know whether they are building the right portfolio, whether their positioning makes sense, whether they are interview ready. That's where mentorship changes the equation. Mentorship is not about more content. It's about clarity. A mentor helps you choose the right lane, identify real skill gaps, build proof that reduces hiring risk, refine how you communicate your value instead of guessing what the markets want. You get perspective from someone who has seen hiring from the other side. That compresses time. It prevents costly mistakes and it transforms effort into progress. Information is not scarce, guidance is. Bootcamps can provide knowledge, but mentorship provides leverage. And leverage is what accelerates careers. If you are serious about securing a well-paying cybersecurity or tech role, don't just ask what you should learn. Ask who is guiding your strategy. Because the difference between finishing a course and building a career is often mentorship. Join our mentorship program and get a free access to a mentor who is going to guide you on your journey to the next career role. Subscribe, like, and share this video as well. Thank you.